The Enterprise Application Viewer, also known as EVE, provides business teams with the ability to easily document existing applications and quickly identify, report, and extract business rules. EVE can create detailed, up-to-date documentation, automatically retrieve new versions of the source code as changes are made across your enterprise, and recreate new up-to-date documentation instantly. Job Control Language is just one of the many types of objects EVE can manage. The Object Browser provides a window into the complete list of application objects that make up the enterprise. Objects can be viewed by entity, by type, or by recently viewed objects. The Object Browser provides access to the Object Viewer for each object. Simply double-click on an object to open the full scope of details in the Object Viewer. Business rules, decision logic, and full source code detail are easily accessed through the Collected Source and Source Explorer workbenches in the Object Viewer. If the collected source refers to included members, EVE automatically pulls that code into the Source Explorer tab. Included member source code is identified by the member name to the left of the lines of code. EVE is also capable of completing symbolic references. In this example, line 10 sets the parameter proc equal to compile. Line 12 references this parameter, and in the Source Explorer you can see that the replacement has been made. The Version Delta tab highlights the changes between the previous version and the current version of the object. Any object can be set for auto-update within EVE. In this mode, the EVE engine automatically retrieves any new versions of the object and creates new up-to-date versions of all of the related documentation. Different versions of the same object can be selected and compared using the drop-down boxes. The Enterprise Explorer is a separate workbench that provides a diagram of the interrelationships between the programs in an application and provides details on the methods used for inter-program communication. Double-clicking on an icon displays the code associated with the call to the program. Double-clicking on the line of code opens the Source Explorer at the selected line. The program documentation is provided in an Adobe PDF file and contains a table of contents for easy access. The document produced for each source object consists of several sections that provide details about the object and its interfaces to other objects. The JCL File Usage Details section provides a list of the file utilization within the job and step of the JCL. The program, dataset definition, file, and disposition are included. The object flowchart is provided as a graphic within a PDF document and is exportable to Microsoft Visio format. The diagrams summarize all of the business rules within each program and allow analysis teams to follow the flow of each program. EVE provides a flowchart for each step of each job card within the current JCL object. Use the drop-down boxes to select which job card number and step to view. Double-clicking on an icon takes you to the reference line in the Source Explorer. Because the diagrams are produced in Visio format, they are available to the business, design, and development teams for modification when defining enhancements and changes to the programs. Objects that are missing from the scope of EVE's control are listed in the Object Error Detail Report. It is possible to correct this situation by finding the missing objects, adding them to the EVE repositories, and then rescanning the system. EVE finds the missing objects and integrates them into any internal references. One of the most powerful features of EVE is the ability to search across the application for any reference to any text provided in the search fields. For example, if changes are needed to the setlib program, it is necessary to know all of the other programs that rely on the setlib program to function. This is accomplished by using the Object Code Browser to search for any reference to the setlib program name. Double-clicking on the results opens the referring object for further exploration. The results can also be exported to the analysis worksheet so they can be shared with other users. With the Enterprise Application Viewer, your IT team is armed with a tool to quickly change, enhance, and expand your application portfolio to better meet your business demands, increase your market potential, and meet the ever-changing needs of your customers.